morning everyone. Welcome to Get English again. And today we are going to learn about rules of proper nouns. In the previous videos, I have discussed about proper nouns and its uses and everything. You can check them. But today we are going to learn about the rules of proper nouns. So first of all, we need to know what is a proper noun. Proper means anything that is specific, that is called a proper noun. Such as if I talk about the girl, girl means it could be any girl. But if I tell that Sita is a particular girl. So that's why here girl is a common noun, but Sita is a proper noun. Similarly, if I talk about place, so it could be any places. But if I tell India, America, and those are proper nouns. So now, today we are going to learn about the rules of proper nouns. In other words, how we will learn where we can use the proper nouns and the things that will come with proper nouns and the things that will not come with proper nouns. So there are the first rules. First rule is proper nouns are always written in capital letters. It means whenever we will use any proper noun, that noun should be written in capital letters. We know that in English there are two forms of letter writing. One is capital and one is small. Capital, and in other case we call them the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter. Similarly, just see A is capital, but here this is capital but this is small. So, but if we write any proper nouns, the proper nouns will be in capital letter. Now see the examples. Here the sentence is, this is a book. So here T is written in capital letter. Is this a proper noun? No, because we know this sentence always starts with a capital letter. So here this word starts the sentence and that's why T is capital. But this is not a noun, even this is not a proper noun. But in the next example, Radha is talking with Sita. Here Radha is a proper noun because I have already told that if I talk about any girl, that is a common noun. But if I talk about a particular girl like Sita, Radha, that is a proper noun. Here Radha is a proper noun, that's why Radha is written in capital letter. Even in this sentence, Radha starts the sentence. That's why Radha is written in capital letter. But in the next, at the end of the sentence, there is a Sita. Here just see, S is capital. But usually we don't use capital letter at the end of any sentence. But here Sita is written in capital letter because Sita is a proper noun. And the second rule, we usually use no article before proper nouns. We know there are three articles in English grammar, English A, and the. But usually we don't use article with proper nouns. Just see the example. It's not the India but the India. Not a rum but rum. And that means we usually don't use article before proper nouns. And rule 3. We use articles the with. But in the rule 2nd, I have told that we usually use no article before proper nouns, but sometimes we use the article. with countries like the USA, the UK, the UAE, the Netherlands, the West Indies, the East Indies, the Punjab. We use article the for these countries. Even we use article the for the name of the rivers like the Ganga, name of the seas like the Arabian, names of the oceans like the Atlantic, name of the historical places like Red Fort, and the religious book like Gita, the Bible, and etc. etc. So the three rules here we have discussed. So usually we don't use article before a proper nouns, but in some cases we use article the, like the USA, the UK, even we use article the with the rivers, the seas. And the rules 4. Here it is quite interesting. There is the district, country and state. If the name of a district, country and state just come as a name, it is just as a name. It is indicate if the name of district, country and state just comes as name, even it indicates a name that is singular, that will be a singular, and that will take a singular verb, and in that case we use no article. Just see the example. India is my motherland. Here India is the name of a country and it comes just as a name, and that's why it is singular, and that's why we have used singular verb, and in that case we did not use any article. But on the other hand, if the name of any district, country and state come as a play, game, war or battle, play, game, war and battle, that is considered as plural, and that takes a plural verb, and in that case we use article the. Just see the example. The India have won the match by 2 wickets. Here we are talking about the cricket. This is a game. That's why we have used the article, and here the noun, the proper noun is considered as plural, and that's why we have used the plural verb. So just understand it again. If the name of district, country and state just comes as a name, that is considered as singular, and that takes a singular verb, in that case we use no article. But on the other hand, if the name of a district, country and state come as the name of play, game, war, battle, that proper noun is considered as plural, and that takes a plural verb, and in that case we use article the. And here is the rule 5. It is also an interesting rule. When we compare the quality of a proper noun with another proper noun, article the is used. It is also interesting to remember, and usually it comes in also exams. So that see the example. Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Here Kashmir is a proper noun, Switzerland is a proper noun, India is a proper noun. But we have used article the with Switzerland. Why? Because here Kashmir is not compared with Switzerland, but the beauty of Switzerland is compared with the beauty of Kashmir. Here the quality of Switzerland, the beauty of Switzerland in compared with the quality of Kashmir, the beauty of Kashmir, and that's why we have used the article. Just see another example. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. They are same. Shakespeare is also a famous English playwright, and Kalidas is also a famous Indian playwright. So here the writing qualities of Shakespeare are compared with the writing qualities of Kalidas, and that's why we have used article the. And the rule 6. Name of the subjects. There is the name of the subjects that look like plural but these are singular and they take singular verbs. There is some name of subjects that looks like plural but actually they are singular, and in that case they took the singular verbs. Just see the subject name politics. You can see at the end of this name there is the s. It looks like that it is a plural noun, but this is not plural, it is singular. Similarly, statistics, economics, ethics, physics, linguistics, mathematics, civics. So in that case, these subjects are singular and that's why they take the singular verb. Just see physics is. It is singular and that's why we have used is. If you just see the summary, the rules of the proper noun, there are the 6 rules that I have discussed. So the first rule, proper nouns are always written in capital letters. And the second, we usually use no article with proper nouns. Rules 3. But we use article with some countries, rivers, seas, oceans, historical places, religious books, etc. Rule 4. If the name of a country, state, district just come as a name, that is considered a singular and that takes a singular verb, and in that case we use no article. But if the name of a country, state or district come as the name of a play, game, war, battle, that is considered plural and that takes a plural verb, and in that case we use article the. If the quality, and the rule number 5, if we compare the quality of a proper noun with the quality of another proper noun, in that case the article the is used. And the rule number 6, there are some subjects that look like plural but they are singular, in that case we take singular noun. Thank you so much and be happy and be great.